like 7 days more, you don't know. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 3 of April 2018 Box Week. So, really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And Box Week is actually the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. The reason why, it is the one week every single month that me and my subscribers spend every single day together for 1 week straight. We will have a brand new video for 7 days. 7 days. 7? Why can't I do numbers? Like every time I do it, I'm like 7 days more, you don't know. Also, I'm weird. I should point that out. So we have a new video every day for 7 days. You're catching us on day 3. We open up my subscription boxes. We hang out. We have fun. We comment back and forth in the Just Like Drew crew. Also, 1 week from today, it's my birthday. So it's an extra special box week just because it's my birthday box month week and it's exciting. So really quick, if you want to join the Just Like Drew crew and you're like not already a part of a family, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so tonight, what are we opening on my channel? We're opening a box. The last few months, it's just been like kind of like, and I keep saying this, and honestly, I think next month I'm gonna have to make some serious choices, like maybe like cut some boxes and get some new boxes, because a couple of the boxes, they're just kind of like, recently, and they're not getting better. Like I keep holding out because it's like I have that FOMO, like I'll cancel it, and then they'll be like, we give out full size, full collection of like, Drunk Elephant. I'll be like, what? Oh my God, why did I do this? So anyways, so we're opening tonight my Sephora Play box. Sephora Play is a monthly subscription from Sephora, the company that sells makeup. It's $10 per month, and originally they kind of just like sent out the same thing to everyone. Recently they've kind of tried to curate it based on your profile, like hair color, skin color, all that kind of fun stuff. So I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here, and we are going to get into this box, but really quick, I want to recap our stockpile giveaway box. If you're like, what's stockpile giveaway? Well, let me tell you if you don't know. Every single month for the last couple months, we have been putting together a stockpile giveaway. We started a new one this month. So basically we do is we put together a stockpile of items that I've been getting in my subscription boxes. I get so many things, I can't keep everything or use everything. So instead of like wasting it, I've decided to give it away. And some of the stuff I actually want to keep, but I'm giving away just because I've been like in a really giving mood because it's like birthday month, giving mood feeling. I don't know, whatever. I get really excited about giving gifts to people, and I'm like, oh my God, somebody's gonna win such a really awesome box. All right, so John Wayne's here, my man, my knife, and we are going to cut open into this box, and hopefully it'll be a good one this month. I don't know, like I said, the last couple months has been kind of like, you know, I don't know. So, all right. On the top, they have this, which is the booklet that tells you about the items inside here. You get a points card every single month. And basically that card, you take it into Sephora, you buy something, you can buy something for like $5, you get 50 Beauty Insider reward points. I can't believe I said that right on the first try. So proud of myself right now. So proud of myself right now. And basically you can buy something, you get extra points. I actually like to stockpile those points, and then like once in a while they'll release like special items, and then you get them, and it's like really awesome. And why do I seem so devious? I think it's the hair. It's the hair. The hair's giving me way too much attitude tonight. Like I am not even prepared for this unboxing. I'm spitting. I'm going crazy. So this is the bag this month that says, make it snappy. Well, you know what? I feel like my attitude matches this bag right now. It like, make it snappy. Look at me. I'm like over here. So I'm guessing that the theme this month is going to be like quick beauty, usable items, if that makes sense. I don't know, whatever. So I'm digging in the bag here. The first item I'm pulling out is Elizabeth & James Bourbon Nirvana fragrance. So actually, I'm excited because this is actually one of my favorite scents. This one right here, Elizabeth & James Bourbon. The Olsen twins, Mary-Kate and Ashley, I give them props because this is like one of my favorite fragrance lines that has been released in the last like couple years. And so I'm actually excited about this fragrance. I guess I'll spray it, but I don't need to because I already have this. That's right. I have like 2 versions of the Elizabeth & James. Oh my God. It smells so good. Like I've got this one specifically, the bourbon, which is like one of my favorite scents to wear, one of my favorite go-tos I have in a rollerball. And I also have like the amethyst. I got some on my hands. I don't even care. I'm gonna rub it on. Oh my God, this is a great moment in my life. You guys ever think you'd see the day where I got a fragrance and I was like, yes. Yeah, so I know we never, I mean, you know, it's April box week. You never know what could happen during birthday month box week. So next item I'm pulling out is Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. So this is a line reducing concentrate. I'm guessing this is like a skincare item. I'm not sure if it's for your eyes or for your face, but I'm actually gonna put that in the giveaway box. As you guys know, I actually have a regular skincare routine that I try and stick with. So I've been trying to put, like, when I get cool skincare items that I don't think I'll get to in any kind of recent time, I'm gonna put that in the giveaway box. So that's going in the giveaway box. Next item I'm pulling out is Makeup Forever Ultra Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Okay, so in Ultra HD Perfector in shade 8. So we keep getting these now, like these sunscreen infused little like bottles of cream. I'm saying cream because I think it's like baby cream. I don't know. I'm going to keep this because it's like my skin color-ish. So I'm like, I feel like that would be stupid to put in the giveaway because we got like people of all shades in the Just Like Drew crew. So that's kind of what it looks like. I've also been trying to keep things that are sunscreen related because I'm really bad with sunscreen, I admit it, and I've been trying to get better with it. So anytime I get something that's like for sunscreen, I'm like, I gotta keep it. I gotta keep it. I gotta use it. So the next item I'm pulling out of here is Purity Moisturizer. Philosophy Purity is finding balance and embracing our true selves. An ultra light moisturizer. And this is going to go in the giveaway box because it's a face cream. And I feel like I said, face creams and all that, I like putting those in the giveaway box. All right, finally, I'm pulling out, looks like a couple of sample items. This looks like it's probably a lip gloss sampler. Oh, it's an actual lip gloss. Ooh, it's a mini lip gloss. Oh, I'm excited. Y'all, lately I've been like feeling the lip gloss life. Like I can't get enough of the lip gloss life and I can't get this out of the box either. That's exciting. Yeah, this is what happens on giveaway box week day. And that's not giveaway day. Sorry, got a little excited. I got carried away. But like, we're putting together a stockpile giveaway. I can't do stuff. Although, to be fair, I couldn't do stuff anyway. All right, so this is what it looks like. It is a nice shiny lip gloss. I'm definitely keeping that. I've been, like I said, like I've been living for like that Lumi sheer sparkly lip gloss life. That's just kind of my go-to. And then right here we have Dr. Dennis Gross Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep. A wrinkle recovery peel. I just ripped that up crazy bad. All right, so we got like 2 Dr. Dennis Gross peeling pads to use on the skin. I believe what you do is you take those and you wipe it and then your skin's like better. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to try it out. I'll probably talk about it on Snapchat. Maybe not. I don't know. So we're going to recap this box. The Dr. Dennis Gross Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep Wrinkle Recovery Peel Pad thingies. We got the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion lip gloss, which is right there, and I actually don't know what shade this is. This is SPL. Is that a thing? Is that what it's called? I don't know. Hold on. I don't know if that's really what it's called. Oh, SPL. Okay. It's called SPL. But the other ones have like real names, and I got the one that doesn't have a real name. It's got like letters. So I don't know if that's special or just because they're like, well, she's a little bit, you know. So, all right. And then we got the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Moisturizer, which is going in the giveaway box. We got the Ultra HD. I lost the cover to it. The Makeup Forever Ultra Skin Perfector BB Cream Sunscreen Thingio. I'm excited about that because I need to take care of my skin better. Also, we got the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Bourbon, which is one of my all-time favorite scents. So I'm actually so stinking excited that's in there. And we got the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate Cream thingy. And that's actually going in the giveaway box as well. So we got kind of smaller items. So it's not really going to fill up our box much. But we do have a couple of items put into our giveaway box. If you haven't already been watching during box week, you should go check out the first 2 videos. We put in a full-size eyeshadow palette from ColourPop and some other cool stuff in the giveaway box so far. But that is actually all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure to click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. And I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of April 2018 box week. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Name's the prize and I'll post their name like this is the person who won the giveaway. But right now nobody's officially claimed it. So I don't know. It's nerve-wracking. I'm like, oh my God. Okay. So I have my man, Mr. John Wayne.